AI for Teachers, Transforming Education with Smart Tools. Welcome to AI for Teachers, where technology meets creativity. Discover how artificial intelligence is transforming education and making teachers' lives easier every day. In today's classrooms, teachers do more than teach, they guide, inspire, and innovate. AI tools are becoming their digital assistants, helping them save time and focus on what truly matters, teaching. Tool number 1, Magic School AI. Let's begin with Magic School AI, a teacher's magical helper. It creates lesson plans, quizzes, feedback, and even emails in seconds, turning hours of planning into moments. Magic School AI offers everything a teacher needs: lesson generators, student feedback tools, and even personalized emails, all aligned with education standards. With Magic School AI, teachers save time, reduce workload, and focus more on connecting with their students. It's like having a teaching assistant powered by intelligence and creativity. Tool number 2, Diffit AI. Next, meet Diffit AI, your smart analytics and grading partner. It helps teachers assess student performance, identify weaknesses, and suggest personalized improvement paths. Diffit AI brings data-driven insights into your classroom. From automated grading to performance tracking, it helps teachers make decisions with clarity and confidence. Tool number 3, Gradescope. Third on our list is Gradescope, the future of grading. It combines AI precision with teacher expertise to make assessments faster, fairer, and more insightful. Gradescope identifies common student errors, provides consistent grading, and generates instant feedback, helping both teachers and students grow together. Tool number 4, Canva Magic Write. Let's move to Canva Magic Write, a creative writing tool built right into Canva. It helps teachers write descriptions, lesson summaries, and even design engaging classroom materials. Teachers use Magic Write to craft posters, newsletters, and projects with just a few words. It brings imagination to life through text and design. Tool number 5, ChatGPT for Teachers. Now meet ChatGPT for Teachers, your personal AI thinking partner. From brainstorming lessons to simplifying complex topics, ChatGPT helps teachers spark creativity in the classroom. Teachers use ChatGPT to create stories, enhance discussions, and build engaging activities that inspire critical thinking in every student. AI and the future of education. AI isn't replacing teachers, it's empowering them. With the right tools, educators can teach smarter, personalize learning, and unlock each student's potential. The future of education is bright, creative, and powered by AI. Together, teachers and technology can build classrooms full of inspiration, curiosity, and lifelong learning.